September 2022 we have Sauvakatu, 2 staircase day here. It's here in Pajala, Järvenpää, Treskenda. It has a sport region, modernized Finland, with 6 floors. It was built in 1979 with cream color and lemon yellow color upstairs. Priced in 2005 with data pictures. Temporary age 41976. Best these 4 persons 325 grams. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. Turned 40 years old in 2019. Was registered 15 years old in 2020. Round buttons for the Delta fixtures.
Yeah.
I don't know if somebody is going to use it.
Yeah, probably.
Here they are. Doors and on the inside they're yellow, lemon yellow.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Originally the cabs must have been either color or maybe something a bit different. But actually, as you can see there, they painted it.
Yeah.
It was originally lemon yellow, so then I believe it was to be lemon yellow in the cab.
Yeah.
Because they repainted it here. Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can be quite sure that it must have been lemon yellow before
Yeah.
2005.
Yeah.
But I really think that they should have chosen either color in the cab. Maybe the lemon yellow because it was that color originally, or this one.
Yeah.
Would have also fitted in the cab.
Yeah.
So too bad they didn't do that. As they have only 2 elevators here.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't have been too expensive to put some more interesting walls inside.
Yeah.
Like these colors. Either this one or this one.
Yeah.
Now you can press the front floor.
I already pressed.
Oh, okay. Buttons are beeping here.
Yeah. Inspected by Device maintained by Kone.
Yes. And 6 floors. And that's a very typical modernization from that time, from the early 2000s.
Yeah.
Well, they often put automatic doors on the ground floor, but on the upper floors they preserve the original manual doors. So
That's
thank you very much.